Hi everyone. If you're looking to record videos using Canva, just follow these few steps to make that happen. Simply come to your Canva dashboard, click on video and choose the kind of video you want to create. You can use landscape or mobile. So for this video, we're just going to go ahead and use landscape view. All right. So once your dashboard has been opened for you, next thing you need to do is click on upload. Once you click on upload, click on record yourself. Once you click on record yourself, it's going to take you to the Canva studio. So on the Canva studio here, you would be able to start recording. You can click on recording to start recording. You can set microphone to be turned off or on. You can decide to just record your screen, or you record your camera as well. So once you're done with that, you can easily hit save and exit, and then that video will be sent to your workstation for you to edit. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a thing or two.